Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, in this video we'll see how to change the background of a photo easily using a simple app. So let us see how to do that in a Android phone. Friends, here I'll be using an app called PhotoEditor. So you just have to go to your Play Store and note down the app name, that is PhotoEditor or PhotoDirector PhotoEditor, and it is from Cyberlink Corp. And this logo, if you can remember, that will be very easy. So I have already installed that app. So once I open this, I'll get into this home page. Here there is a button called edit button. So here what I'll do is I'll just press this edit button, and then you can see it will reach your gallery. So first of all, you have to give the permission to this app to access your gallery. After that only you can change all these things. So I've already done that, and I will just select a photo from my gallery for that purpose. So for example, this photo I want to edit, and here you can see a lot of tools, adjust, effects, style, all these things will come in this bottom bar. So here there is one option called background art. So once I press this, you will get a lot of background, and you have to download all this background. For example, I just click here, or for example I want to have this background. This looks very good. You have to download all this background first of all. For example, if I press this, it will take some time, something around 3-4 seconds. It will get downloaded, and you can see things will change, or the backgrounds will change. So here you can see you can play around with this bar for changing the brightness of your pic or photo. Some more background. Let me try this. Let us see. Look. Something else, maybe this. Let's see. Look. So this is how easy it is to change a background of your picture using this app. But I am a little bit not satisfied with this picture. As far as possible, take the picture with some kind of uniform background, so that this app doesn't search for your photo. So you can see there is some shadows coming over here, because the photo is because the app is trying very hard to find which one is exactly your picture. So as far as possible, the original picture, take it in a uniform background, so that it becomes very easy for the app to identify your picture and change the background according to it. So here what you can do is tick this button to save this photo. But friends, this app is not free, and you cannot even take a screenshot here, because this is like a paid version. If I tick here, it will ask me for many schemes or options to select from. This feature is not free. You have to be a subscriber of this app to use this background feature. So that's it in this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please do share this video across various platforms, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.